Hook. What if you could win back 1 extra hour every single day without hiring anyone and without learning to code? In this short, I will show you a simple AI-powered micro-automation that takes over one boring repetitive task and quietly does it for you in the background, while you focus on real work that makes money. Value. First, pick a task that you repeat every day and secretly hate. Maybe it is answering the same type of client questions, rewriting similar emails, summarizing Zoom calls, or turning messy notes into clean action lists. You do not need to automate everything at once. Start with one tiny process that already steals 30 to 60 minutes a day. Second, map the steps in plain language. For example, when I finish a meeting, I upload the recording, then I listen. Then I write key points, then I send a follow-up email. Take that exact description and feed it into your AI assistant or automation tool. Tell it what should happen first, what should happen next, and what the final output should look like. Third, connect the pieces. Most modern tools let you watch a folder or a calendar. So when a new recording appears or a meeting ends, your automation can trigger automatically. AI can then transcribe the audio, summarize the most important points, create an email draft with decisions and next steps, and drop everything into your inbox. Or project management app. You check it, tweak if needed, and hit send. Over time you will trust the system more and more. CTA. If you like this idea and want me to break down 3 more real-life automations that I personally use to save time every day, comment, automation. And I will show you how to stack them so you feel like you have a virtual assistant working for you 24/7.